Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use ClickUp for Freelance Invoice. So here I am in my ClickUp homepage, and having a Freelance Invoice document is important so that if you have your own business or a freelance business, you can send invoices to your customers or clients. So in order to do that, we just need to use a template. So for example, I will use this test workspace right here and then click on the plus button. From here, we will click on templates, and templates is a convenient feature in ClickUp so that you can create templates of various documents so that you don't need to create them from scratch. So from here, we will just search for Freelance Invoice in the search bar, and then we will click on the document template type right here so that we can see the template. So here is the Freelance Invoice template. So we will use this. So click on it and click on Use Template. So from here, you can change the document name, but I will just leave it as is with the default name of Freelance Invoice. And then you can choose where the document will be created. So I will choose this test workspace right here and then click on Use Template. Then we will wait for it to be created. And then here is the Freelance Invoice document. So here is the template. So it has some information right here to help you in editing your Freelance Invoice document. So here is the invoice title and then the reference number. Here is the date and due date. Here is the balance due. Here is the logo for your company. Here is the address of your company and the billing address, and then the items or services you offer. So here is the item, the description, the quantity rate, and then the total amount that will be invoiced to your client or customer. So here is the terms and instructions. So you can just edit this so that you can insert your terms and instructions right here. And then here is the bank details. So you can just, for example, delete this and then insert your own bank information right here. And then you can do that with other elements in the document as well. And then that is it. That is how we use ClickUp for a freelance invoice. If you want to share this invoice to your customers, you can just click on the share button right here. You can make a link. You can export the document locally. And then you can also protect the document by having a password and other security measures. But since I'm using the free plan, I don't have the option for this. So I can use this. So just close it. And then that's it. If you want to share this document to your other workspace, you can do that as well. But that is it. That is how we use ClickUp for Freelance Invoice. I hope you learned how to use it. And thank you for watching.